Chapter 11 SIR model part 3. Here's just a couple more points. We'll assume we have a total population of 330 million. It's roughly the population of the United States. And suppose we have an infectious period of 5 days. That is consistent with, I saw one figure for COVID of 5.5 days. So that would stretch things out a little bit. But here's some interesting models. We have basic reproduction numbers of 1.5, 2.2, 3.5, and 15.0. 1.5 is a seasonal flu, COVID-19, 2.2, 3.5, it's probably somewhere in there. 15.0 would be measles. What I did is I built a spreadsheet model following exactly what I did in part 2. You can build your own spreadsheet model. And after 30 days, this is the number of infected plus recovered. So these people, a certain percentage of these would have gone through the hospital system. With a seasonal flu, we end up with about 5,000 cases, roughly, after 30 days. Not that much. After 90 days, 3 months into the flu, November, December, January, well, guess what? It ramps up, 1.5, almost 1.6 million. And that stresses the hospital system because a certain percentage of those recover at home and a certain percentage end up in a hospital bed. If you continue out further, of course, this ramps up even more, but we have a lot of precautions people take. People do social distance in the flu season, we have vaccinations, et cetera, et cetera. And of course, not all these are passing through the system at once. 2.2, an early COVID number. After 30 days, we have 116,000. Okay, that's pretty significant. But after 90 days, 279 million. Okay. This was some of the figures that were thrown about on TV by Dr. Fauci. I'm guessing were probably come about using the SIR model, that we could have 200 million infections within one season had we not social distance. Whether or not this would happen or not, that's an interesting question. 3.5, and of course, some localities have COVID reproduction numbers 3.5. Some rural areas quite a bit less. But if we have an average of 3.5, 25 million in 30 days, within a month, okay. Catastrophic. Okay, that's up here. Seasonal flu, 1.6 million at the end of the flu season, middle to the end, 25 million within 30 days. Within 90 days, 322 million, near full infection. Something like the measles actually reaches full infection using the SIR model in about 12 to 13 days. I mean, that seriously moves fast. Full infection 30 days, full infection 90 days. So if something like COVID comes through and it has a reproduction number of 15, you better head for the mountains. So, okay, that's all for this video. I'm glad that you've been able to watch this. I hope you enjoyed it. Been a pleasure.